Welcome back to the channel. Great to have you. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jim, your 352 Realtor. I have to say, I have a Bougainvillea. Yep, I don't see any plants or vines like that, which is the name of it, or a Banyan, right? People know this layout as that as well. This is a 2002 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just about $309 list price today. So I can't wait to show you the vaulted ceilings. I think you may fall in love with this thing. It has a great layout to it. But before I say that, how you doing? Let's go inside. Come on in. This property has a 2-car garage coming up the concrete driveway. Has some really nice, I don't know how old they are, but they are older trees for sure. Very low maintenance. Here from garage. I'd like to see some shutters at some point. That may be good. Let's go inside. Heading inside, yeah, you enter right into a living room. All tile floor. Nice fan, popcorn ceilings here, dining room there to the right. The kitchen is in between there. We'll take a look at that. But before we do that, let's go see some of the bedrooms. Let's go to bedroom number 3 on the back side of the house. Again, looks like it has some planking, some vinyl planking floor, closet, ceiling fan. Nice room in here. Let's go to the second bedroom. Just about identical, maybe a tad smaller, not by much though. Plenty of room for, you could even get a king size bed in here. Closet, so all bedrooms are gonna have closets. Same flooring, same ceiling, and they share this bathroom. So it looks like ceramic on the surround, and it looks like fiberglass on the tub. Granite countertops, wood cabinetry. Yep, pantry, or linen closet, I should say. Let's go to the master. Heading into the primary master bedroom. Again, much bigger of a room, natural lighting, fan. Again, everything's really duplicated. Same vinyl flooring, which matches the other bedrooms. Again, plenty of space as you can see. Right into your master bath with linen closet. There's your water closet, your step over shower. Looks like all ceramic in there. Again, granite countertops, single sink here, but it does have, what I like is for the women to put their makeup. So a nice little stool could scoot right under that and you could apply makeup right on that side. That's very nice. Tile floors. And just to the left of that is a very gracious walk-in, very well lit closet. Let's go to the kitchen together. From this arch entryway into the kitchen, white cabinetry, nice space there. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, looks all new. Soft close cabinets, yeah, that's nice. The appliances are 2024, so updated appliances there. Nice little space here as well. We'll give you some more look. A nice pantry here. Pull-outs. Yeah, real nice. Let's go to the lanai. This property at one time didn't have a closed lanai. You see here, they left the tracks in there just in case somebody wanted to put the sliders back in or screens or whatever they wanted. But when they finished this, or enclosed this, maybe I should say, these look like fixed windows. I don't normally see that, but normally you see a split window with a screen to get some ventilation here. I don't see, no, these look all fixed. So again, it has a fan for ventilation, and it would work off the air conditioning, which I'll give you all the great stats of all the business side of it, if you will. Nice door here, some step downs. Backyard is pitched beautifully. Here's some of those plants we talked about that this model is. They are here. Didn't see them before. Again, nice shade as to some separation between you and the neighbor here. Let's continue on in the house. We're going to head into more the business side, if you will. Wash and dryers inside the house here, which is nice. Again, all tile floors, right into your American Standard furnace. You don't see too many of these either. We usually see a carrier unit, but I believe this was replaced in 2021. Again, when we do the wrap up here right after this, I'll give you all those details. Super handy to have, non-encased. Get some air. Let's go to this garage. Yeah, double car garage. This property does come with that gas golf cart. So I'll take a look. Looks like an easy go. But before we do that, let's take a look at the garage itself. Got some shelving for sure. Try to give you some perspective. Water heater, that looks fairly new. Looks like it has a refrigerator. Let's take a look at this cart. Yeah, it's an easy go. Yep. With a push bar. Let's take a look at this. So you got plenty of electrical. You have half the box left. Add electrical if you so want it. Again, your irrigation is here, your controller, which is a Hunter. You got some extra tiles, which is nice. That's always great to have. So appreciate the homeowner for that. Here's the doors. So if you ever want to put those sliders back, they kept the glass for it too. That's fantastic. This is gas appliance, as you can see. So there is gas here. There'll be gas at the stove, even though the range here I showed you was electric. So it's all ready to go, and I'm sure the dryer is gas as well. And let me just confirm it, because the washer and dryer is right here. Let's take a look. Yeah, gas. So it is good to go on that. Let's head for a wrap up. Well, gang, that's going to do it for this property. I hope you liked it. Again, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath here in the Village of Woodbury. I'm in sort of the northern side of the Villages. Not on the northest part, but I'm pretty close to that, just under Route 42, which is the northern side. Again, this is a 2002 property. It looks like it definitely has upgrades here. As you will see, or hopefully I showed you some of those upgrades. It has gas appliances or gas on the major hookups that a lot of people ask me about here. Let's talk about the roof. The roof was replaced in 2022. The hot water tank was replaced in 2020. And the HVAC, which it's freezing cold in here. It's 75 degrees, which is cold in here because it's like 105 degrees out there, was replaced in 2021. It is working perfectly, as I can tell right here, because it is just dry and cold. Actually, I got to turn it up. That's how cold it is here. But I think you really like it. Again, the homeowner was very cautious, and for maybe the next owner, when they would sell it, they kept a lot of the things that they thought you would like. It is here. I showed you a few in the garage, which I think you would greatly appreciate if you own this property. Again, it does have a little low bond. It's $1,600, so that is almost depleted and gone. With this property here, certainly it's things that we try to talk about and negotiate when we talk about making an offer. Speaking of offers, if you want to make an offer on this property, you call me. Again, my name is Jim. I'm with Realty Executives in the Villages. You can reach me directly. My phone number at 352-492-1699. And like always, I am your 352 realtor. I can't wait to show you the next one.